boys and girls. This is your adjective review video, so you should have already completed this. If you didn't, just go ahead and hop off here, finish this. You're cutting out these words and you are attaching them with the picture. And this is where we're going to check your work, okay? So if you haven't completed it, that's fine. Just go back and complete it now, and then you can come back to check to see how you did. So the first thing, make sure your name is at the top of the paper. First name and your last name. Okay, the next thing is that we have these cut out and we're going to read these words. So an adjective is a word that describes a noun, a person, place, or thing. So fluffy, this is the word fluffy. What picture is a picture of something fluffy? Well, this is like a beach ball. It's not very fluffy. It's an airplane. It's a flower. Got ice cream, a cloud, and a sheep. And to me, a sheep would be fluffy, so I would attach fluffy next to the sheep. The next word I have is bouncy. What is something that's bouncy? Well, not an ice cream cone. That would just splat on the ground. I guess I could say maybe a cloud, but I don't really know what a cloud feels like. But you know what? I do know that a ball is bouncy. What about something cold? What about something cold? Well, an airplane might be cold, but that's not what I think of when I think of an airplane. A rain cloud could be cold, but the best answer for this one would be the ice cream cone. What about something wet? Wet. What would be wet? Well, these two things can get wet, but what is the best one? The rain cloud. Fast. So I've got the airplane and the flower. The airplane would be fast. And now the last one I have is pretty. I would say flowers are pretty. Alrighty, so those are your answers. If you got one wrong and you can switch it, go ahead and do that. If you can't switch it, I would just cross it out and then write the correct word underneath. Okay?